ASUS ZenFone line is still fresh in our minds, but that did not stop the company from showing another new smartphone here at CES 2018. The uncomfortable name of ZenFone Max Plus M1 is scheduled to launch in the US next month for $329, and his claim of fame is his 4130 mAh battery. Sure, it may not be as wide as the ZenFone 3 Zoom from ASUS last year, but that battery is even bigger than any you would find in a normal flagship phone. Not bad, considering the sale price. Beyond the battery, the ZenFone Max Plus M1 also includes a 5.7-inch, 2160x1080 display with an aspect ratio of 18:9, along with an octa-core MediaTek chipset, 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of integrated storage. On the back you will find a fingerprint sensor and, above that, a double camera that combines a standard 16-megapixel sensor with an 8-megapixel wide-angle camera with a 120-degree field of view. For those who follow the track, it is very similar to the configuration used by the LG G5 a while ago. Even better, both the main and front cameras that also take 16-megapixel photos have f/2.0 apertures to help absorb as much light as possible for landscape shots and selfies. Squeeze all that in a handsome metallic body, although a little generic, and that is the ZenFone Max Plus M1. So far, the Max Plus feels like an incredible smartphone, but not everything is ideal. Most notably, it runs an older version of Nougat from Android 7.0 painted by ZenUI from ASUS. The idea of running a software that is more than a year old is quite problematic, and we have contacted ASUS to see why exactly the ZenFone Max Plus M1 is stuck in this position. Despite the situation of Nougat and the inherent rarity of its name, we are still happy to see that the ZenFone Max Plus M1 includes some emblematic features in an elegant body. Let's track one for a little practical time soon.